Hello students, welcome to online maths class. How are you students? Yes, I am fine. Okay, I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay students, what did we learn in last class? Students, what did we learn in last class? Measurement, length and weight. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the topic is measurement value. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the topic is measurement value. Okay, so before we are going to see an activity. Okay, I think you are a very good student. So very good. My dear students, very good. So you also do this activity. Okay, ma. So see the slide, ma. So first of all, welcome to all. Okay, see the next slide. Okay, today we cover Unit 3 measurements value. Okay, measurements value. Okay, ma. So what is the volume? Okay, so volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Okay, ma. So volume. Okay, so volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Okay, so next one. So how to measure the volume? Okay students, so how to measure the value? Okay students, please take a screenshot. Okay, so first point, so volume is the space occupied by the substance. Okay, so see some example. So I have some models. So see there. So this is a beaker and this is a measuring jar. Okay, so, how to measure the volume? So, volume is the space occupied by the substance. So, the metric unit of volume is liter. Okay. So, please underline and take the screenshot. So, the metric unit of volume is liter. Okay. The liter is exactly bigger than quart. Okay. So, the graduate cylinder is used to measure the volume of liquid. Okay, so this is a, see there. So this is a measure the volume of liquid. Okay, so that one is a measure volume of liquid. Okay, students. Okay, so see the next slide, ma. So what is this? The first one is graduate cylinder. So see that. So next one is beaker. So this is the beaker. Okay. So next one is jar. Okay. So that one is a, so that one is a flask. Okay. See there. Okay. That one is a cylinder. Measuring jar. Okay, so that one is a beaker. So that one is a 200 ml. So see there, this is a 200 ml milliliter. Okay, okay dears. Okay, see the next one. So 1 quart equal to 4 cups. 1 cup. Okay, so next one, see the next slide. Okay, so how to measure the volume? Okay, ma, see there. Okay, students, see that. So I have one water bottle. So fill the water. So how to measure the volume? Okay, ma. So you take a page number 67. So students, please take a page number 67. Okay, so what is volume? So volume is the amount that a container can hold. Okay, see that the container can hold. So that is a volume. Okay, ma. So, how to measure the volume of container? So, see some example. Okay. So, first one. So, measure the volume of the flask is given figure. Okay. So, take the page number 67 mark. Okay. So, first one. So, define the unit of measurement. Okay. So, unit of measurement. Okay, students. See that. So this is a fractional spoon. Okay, now this is a spoon. Okay, so first you select decide the unit of measurement. So this is a spoon. Okay, so second one, fill the spoon with the water pour into the flask. Okay, second one, fill the water into the flask. Okay, so I have water bottle and I have also beaker. So I fill the water in the using the measure in the spoon. Okay, so see that. So fill the water. Okay, measure the spoon. So next one. So I fill the spoon. Okay, so I fill the water. So next one. So keep pouring and counting spoons full of water till the flask full at the rim. So how many times the spoons pour? How many times? So I take the spoon in 25 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 25 times. Okay, see there. Okay, ma. So 25 times. Okay. So next one, the count is the volume is the flask in the spoon unit. So volume of the flask is the 15 spoons. So volume okay of flask equal to 15 spoons. So that is the 25 spoons. Okay. So see that. So this is a spoon. Okay. So this is the unit of measure spoon. Okay. I take one spoon. So next one. So fill the spoon with water and pour into flask. Okay. So water into flask. Okay, ma. Okay. So second one. Fill the spoon with the water. Okay, ma. So next one. So how many times were the spoons poured? Okay. So next one. So count. The count is the volume of flask in the spoon units. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 25 times. Okay, ma. So students, you take a page number 67. Students, please take a page number 67. So first one, so comparison of volumes. So example, okay, arrange the following containers in ascending order based on the volume in spoon units given below. Okay, ma. So first one, so jug equal to 25 spoon units. So jug equal to 25 spoon units. Okay, see the board mark. Okay, so jug, first one jug equal to 25 spoon units. Okay, first one jug equal to 25 spoon units. Okay, ma. So next one, so glass. So glass equal to 10 spoon units. 10 spoon units. Glass equal to 10 spoon units. Okay, ma. So next one, bowl equal to 15 spoon units. Okay, ma. So bowl. Okay, next one, bowl equal to 15 spoon units. Okay, see the board carefully. So first one is a jug. So jug 25 spoon units. So second one is a glass. Glass 10 spoon units. Okay, so next one, bowl 15 spoon units. Okay, so once again, so jug 25 spoon units and glass 10 spoon units and then bowl 15 spoon units. Okay, so what is the question? So ascending order. So ascending order means what? Ascending order means what? So smallest to biggest. Okay, smallest to bigger. This one is the ascending. Okay, ma'am. So smaller to bigger. Okay. So which one is the smaller value? So glass is the 10 spoon units. Jug 25 spoon units and bowl 15 spoon units. So which one is the correct answer, ma'am? 10, 25 and 15. So compare these numbers. So these are two-digit number. So ones and tens have. Okay. So you see the ones place. Okay. 505. Okay. So you see the next tens place. 2, 1, 1. Okay. So this one is the very smallest value. So first one is glass. Okay. So glass is the very slowest value. So it's the first number. Okay. Second one, so that one is a 15 and that is a 25. So which one is the correct answer, ma? So 15. Okay. So choose. Okay, ma. So bowl 15 spoon units. Okay. So third one, jug. So what is the third one? Jug. Okay. So that one is a 25 spoon units. Okay, ma'am. So that is a 25 spoon units. So ascending order, please take a page number 67. Students, please take a page number 67. So first one is the glass 10 spoon units and second one bowl 15 spoon units and third one jug 25 spoon units. Okay. So write the correct answer. Okay. So next one, ma. So page number 68. Students, please take a page number 68. So measurements volume. So first and second sum. This is a homework for you. Okay. First and second. Okay. Okay, students. So next one. So solve the following word problem. Okay. Solve the following word problem. So Raju and Saumi had different containers. Okay. Different containers. As soon as in the figure, they fill their containers with first glass water. Okay. So see the slide, ma. So see the slide. So Raju and Saumi had different containers. Okay. So first one is a jug, second one is a container, and third one is a unit. What is the unit? So glass. Unit of value is the glass. So second different types of containers. So first one is a jug. Okay. Second one is a flask, one of the flask. Okay. So Raju and Saumi had different containers. They filled their containers with one glass of water. So estimate the number of glasses required to fill their containers. Okay. For example, so see that. So I have one beaker. So I fill the water in measuring jar. Okay. So, see the question. Okay, Raju and Saumi had different containers. So, for example, one beaker and measuring jar. Okay, so first, measuring jar and beaker and conical flask. Okay, so first one is so Raju containers. You imagine this is a Raju container. Okay, so next one is the next thing is this is a Saumi container. Okay, so now we go to measure. So use as soon as in the figure they fill the water in containers with a glass of water. So one glass of water. So see that. So I fill the Okay, ma? So this is a near 150 ml. Okay, see there. That one is a 50 ml. So this is also same process. So the Xiaomi container, fill the water. Okay, so also fill the water. So near, so also near 100 ml. Okay, so 100 ml. So Raj is 50 ml. Okay, so what is the question? So number of glasses used to fill Raju's container, around 4 glasses. So around 4 glasses. So it's a approximate answer. Okay, so it's the number of glasses used to fill Raju's container, around 4 glasses. Okay, so please take a page number 68. So, okay, ma, see the question. So, number of glasses used to fill Raju's container. So, first one is around 4 glasses. Okay, ma. So, second one, number of glasses used to fill Xiaomi container, around 2 glasses. Around 2 glasses. Okay, so see the number of glasses used to fill Raju's container is around 4 glasses. So that is a Raju's container. See that? Okay. So second one is a Xiaomi container. So this is a Xiaomi container. Okay. So first one is around 4 glasses. So second one is around 2 glasses. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Okay. So students, please take a page number 69. Take a page number 69. Okay, ma. So choose the approximate unit to measure the volume of the following. So first one, container is a bucket. Okay, have a bucket. Okay, ma. So unit is we use the mug. Okay, select the mug. So first one is see the board. So first one is the bucket. So using unit mugs. Okay. So reason mug is bigger unit and fill the bucket faster. Okay. So mug is bigger unit. Mug is bigger unit and fill the bucket faster. Okay, ma. So first one, so bucket. So unit is a mug. Okay, so unit is a mug. So mug is a bigger unit. So mug is a bigger unit and fills the bucket is faster. Okay, ma. So next one. Next one. See the next one. So next one is a glass. So second is a glass. Okay, ma. So next one is a glass. So its unit is you circle the word of cups. Okay. So the answer is what is the reason? So cup is the bigger unit. So cup is the bigger unit. So bigger unit and fills the glass faster. Fills the glass faster. Okay, students, write fast. Okay, next one. Third one is C, bowl. So C is bowl. So next one C is bowl. Bowl. So unit is a spoon and so reason. So spoon is an approximate. Spoon is an approximate unit as a jet is bigger than bowl. Than a bowl. Okay, students, please write fast. Okay, so first one, so bucket, unit is mug, so reason, mug is bigger unit and fills the bucket faster. Okay, so it's a fills the bucket is a faster. Okay, so second one, glass. Okay, so its unit is a cup. Circle the name of the cup. Okay, so cup is the bigger unit and fills the glass faster. Okay, so next one, bowl. So spoons, the unit of is a spoons. Okay, ma, spoons. So circle the spoons. Okay, spoon is an approximate unit as a jug is bigger than bowl. Okay, ma, we finished. Okay, so this is so see there. So the number of the following containers in the ascending order of their value. Okay. So first one is a 30 glasses. Second one is a 25 glasses, and third one is the see the next slide, ma. Okay. Third one is the 2 glasses. First you write the ascending order. Okay. Okay, so the first one is a 3 and second one is a 2 and third one is a 1. Okay, already arrange the values. So you also try this from, okay, write in a ascending order. Okay, so next one, word problem. So first word problem. Solve the following word problems. Pot beholds 15 glasses of water. 15 glasses of water. Pot A holds double the amount as pot B. Okay. So next one. How many glasses of water are needed to fill pot A? Okay. So first one. So glasses of water fill pot B. So see the board, ma. So second one. See the board. So, glasses of water to fill pot B equal to 15 glasses. Okay, ma? So, 15. Okay. So, second one, glasses of water to fill pot A equal to 30. 30 glasses. Okay. So, pot B holds 15 glasses of water. Okay. 15 glasses of water. Pot A holds double the amount as a pot B. So, 15 is a double. So, 15 double. So, see that. So, 5 6 are 10. Balance 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 2 in the mind. Take a raise a one finger after 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So 15, 2. So glasses of water to fill the double. Okay. So first one one is the glasses of water to fill pot B equal to 15. Okay, ma? So second one, glasses of water to fill pot A is 30. Okay, please write fast. Okay, so next one, there are three. Okay, second one is a homework for you. Okay, so third one, so see there, Rima and Rocky had filled their pots with water. Both their pots were equally big and heavy. Rima used bottle A and Rocky used bottle B. Rima had to fill her bottle 14 times. Okay, see the slide, ma. Okay, see the slide. So students, please take a screenshot. Okay, so the question is, why did Rima go more times than Rocky? Okay, so first one is that Rima went more times than Rocky because her bottle has a lower volume than Rocky's bottle. Okay, so take a page number 70. Okay, ma, take a page number 70. Okay, see the board. The first one answer is her bottle. Her bottle has a lower value than Rocky's bottle. Okay, students, write fast. Please write fast. Her bottle has a lower value, okay, than the Rocky's bottle. Okay. So next one, whose bottle has maximum volume, Rocky or Rima? So see there, A is a Rocky and B is a Rima bottle. So B is the correct answer. Okay, circle the answer B. Okay, so third one, Rocky's bottle can hold dash as much water as Rima's bottle. Write the answer. So it's the twice. Twice. Okay, please write fast. Twice. Okay, so this class is finished. Okay, my dear students, I think today class is useful for us. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you. Please do the sums, all sums in a worksheet paper. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.